What's up, everybody? This is Spectacular Smith, and welcome to the Spectacular Experience. What's up, everybody? This is Spectacular Smith, and welcome to the Spectacular Experience. If you want to change, you have to be willing to change your behavior. You have to be willing to change your habits. You think about your life and nothing is working for you. Everything you ever tried is not working for you. You try to date, it don't work for you. Try to start a business, it fails, it's not working for you. You try to go and join a sports or try to, be social, it's just not working for you. You have to think back. The reason is you're not having the right infrastructure behind you. You don't have the right habits. Your habits are off. The way that you handle things is not working. It's wrong. So you have to figure out, how could you align what you want, and right across from that is you making it happen. So you have to figure out what's getting in the way of that. So for example, if you want to go to the gym and work out and make sure you're getting ripped, you can't be eating fast food all day, every day. You would never get that six pack. If 3 to 4 times a day you eating Burger King, you eating tacos all day, and you eating fried chicken, you would never get where you want to be physically. So in order to change that result, you will have to actually change your habit, your eating habit, and get more clean food. Get more broccoli, get more salmon, get more baked chicken, get more asparagus. So you have to change your habit with that situation. And the same thing go for any other situation. You have to analyze what is going on here. Why am I not getting the results that I want? Think. Stop for a minute. Think about it. If you're not getting something that you want and you've been craving for this for a very long time and it's just not working, reanalyze the situation. Write down every last thing that you did to try to get that result. That would be your not to do list. I will analyze that and I will look at each different thing that I did that I felt on. Because in order to get what you need to fail, analyze, adjust. Fail, analyze, adjust. Fail, analyze, adjust. That's that circle. So look at everything that you did wrong and figure out a way to reverse engineer. Think in your mind, how could you picture yourself getting that desirable thing and reverse engineer it from there and work your way backwards and figure out, how can I accomplish that goal? And eliminate everything that's not working. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, expecting a different result. So analyze. Try it. It don't work. Switch it up. Don't keep doing the same thing over and over again. All right. So if you want to get to someone who's looking for a partner in a relationship, maybe you need to switch it up. What you did before, it's not working, right? The person that you're attracted to might not be the best person to be attracted to. I tell people that's not in relationships, that's single, what are you looking for? You can't go looking for a shark in a lake. You're going to catch a bunch of seaweed and a bunch of whatever that's in the lake. If you want a shark, you need to go to the sea. And in order to catch a shark, you can't have a little shrimpy fishing pole. You got to have a heavy duty fishing pole. You have to equip yourself with the right tools and make sure you're in the right situation to get what you need to get that desirable goal or thing. You can't pray and wish and take action on getting this person you want to fall in love with that you built out to be a shark, but every single time you're going back to this lake. For example, you looking for someone who's going to be sophisticated and elegant, someone who's respectable, then you might not want to go to the trap where they selling weed and cocaine and drugs, and that might not be the best place to find that type of person. The point I'm making is you got to prepare yourself for greatness, and you got to figure out how could you change the things that is not working for you and figure out a way to switch it up a little bit and test different things to see what strikes home. If you like tall guys that's dark and handsome, maybe you need to find a short guy that's dark and handsome. Might not be working out for you. You might not be attracting the same that you're looking for. Gotta switch it up. If you're super aggressive all the time, then you might need to tone it down a little bit just so you can keep your man. If you feel like you are too passive, then maybe the person that you're looking for and you're attractive need a little bit more aggressive person. So you got to switch it up. If every time you go looking for a man, you at a strip club, maybe you need to go out to a couple dinners and double dates, or, look for somebody at a elegant event or something like that. Point I'm making is switch it up. Figure it out. Make it happen. And ask for feedback from other people too. That works a whole lot. Ask this person like, yo, what do you think? And they'll tell you. If anybody really truly is your friend, they would tell you, what do you think is wrong? Why do you think I can't get to the gym? Why do you think I can't lose this weight? And they'll tell you, well, I think you need to stop eating snacks in the middle of the night. I think you need to cut out that fried chicken. And then have somebody to leave you accountable for that. Oh my God, that's the best thing. Accountability partners. That is amazing. Have somebody say, hey, every time I eat some fried chicken, take it from me. Snatch it out my hand. Every time I go fishing in a lake looking for a shark, tell me, yo, you tripping. That's not what you want. Because every time you did that, this happened. So you just have to figure it out. Put the right people around you that's going to help you figure it out. Get some feedback from other people. Analyze what's not working for yourself and readjust. Switching your habits and create habits that's going to set you up for success to get the things that you want. Okay? So this was a little bit of a rant because I just feel like a lot of people are doing the same thing over and over again and expecting for a different result. And I just want this to be something that you might need to hear from somebody else that you was already thinking in your own mind, and you just need somebody to confirm your thoughts. And that's what this was today. All right. So I need everybody to go out and figure out what habits you need to change to get to that desirable goal, and what do you need to switch up and test out different things, because what you're doing probably won't be working for the first time, the second time, or forever, and you know that you get those type of results, and then switch it up to see if you can get a different result. Okay, I love you guys. This is Spectacular Smith, and I'm out. Peace.